Welcome to Steph Academy Tuition Center. So this is mathematics paper 1. So question number 1 is saying simplify. So to simplify, which means we need to make things simpler or simple. So as you can see, we have 3x, then open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, minus, open bracket, 4 minus x squared, close bracket. So first here we need to expand by multiplying this 3x times what's inside the brackets. And also here there's -1, though it's not indicated here. So I have a -1 multiplied by everything inside the brackets as well. So we'll start with 3x times x. So we have 3x squared like this. So 3x squared. Okay. Then again we have 3x times 2. So we have plus 6x here, like this. Okay. Then again -1 times 4 to be -4 like this. Okay. Then negative times negative is positive x square like this. Then we group like them together. So we'll say 3x square. So as you can see, this one and this one are like terms. So we'll write plus x squared like this. Then now plus 6x, then minus 4 like this. Okay. Then from here now we add or subtract like terms. So as you can see, we have 3x squared plus x squared. These are like terms. So here there's 1x squared. So 3 plus 1 we have 4x squared. Then plus 6x, then minus 4 like this. So this will be our final answer. So we write it here, which is a 4x squared plus 6x minus 4. So you just imagine you get these 2 marks. Very simple. Then I'll go to question 2. Question 2 is under indices. So they want us to evaluate. So evaluate this. So now how do we eliminate this negative? For example, if you have x to the power -1, so the best way of eliminating this negative is by saying 1 over x to the power 1, which means for us to eliminate this negative, we need to say 1 over everything. So even here we'll say 1 over, which is 2/16 bracket to the power 2 over 3, which means we have eliminated this negative by saying 1 over everything. So now what to do here, we'll say 1 over, so this 2/16 to be inside the root here, 2/16. Then here we'll write 3 here, then like this. Okay, then do like this, then we put a 2 here. So this is another way of presenting this expression here. So for example, like if we have a, then x over y. So this one can be written, of a here. So this one is same as a, then you put y here, you do like this, then to the power this, which is x here, like this. So we can write this one in form of this. So this is what I've done here. So 2/16, you put inside the root here, then this 3 will be here, which is cube root, then 2 power here. So now which number can you multiply 3 times to give us 2/16? So we can start from multiply 1 times 1 times 1, it will not give us 2 times 2 times 2, it will not give us this one. We move to 3 times 3 times 3, it will give us it will not give us 2/16. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So we'll go to 6. So 6 times 6 36. The 6 times 6, it will give us 2/16. 2/16, which means the answer inside here is what? Is 6. So it's 1 over 6 to the power 2. Don't forget this 2. Don't forget this 2, the square here. Then now we say 1 over, so 6 times 6 will get 36 like this. So the answer, you write your answer here, which is 1 over 36 like this. Very, 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 very simple. Then we go to next question, which is question number 3. Solve the equation. Okay, so this one we can solve is using what we call the factorization method. So this is a quadratic expression. So we'll try to put like them together. So we'll say 2x square plus 3x. So these two will go to the left hand side. So it will be minus 2, then equal to 0 like this. Okay, then from here we'll find product and sum. So the product here and the sum here. Okay, so 2 times negative 2, the answer is negative 4. Okay, then again the sum, you just get this number at the middle, which is positive 3 like this. Okay, then from here now you say which two numbers, when you multiply them you get negative 4, when you add them you get 3. So the numbers we can get negative positive 4 times negative 1, again 4 minus 1. So 4 times negative 1, it is negative 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So which means these numbers are correct. So we'll get 4 and negative 1, negative 1. Then you put them between here while there's a 3x here. So we write 2x square. So you can start with any number you want. So if you want, I can start with what? With 4 or even 1. So minus 1x. I know this is negative 1, so I'll put 1x. Okay, then now we also say plus 4x, this 4, then minus 2 is equal to 0. So remember my factors is 4 and negative 1. So we just put them here at the middle here. You substitute them with 3x. So don't forget to include x. So this will be 4x, this will be 1x, negative 1x, I mean. So you put them like this. So now you factorize these two, we put them together, these two, put them together like this. So what's common here? Automatically it's x here, x is common. So let x is common, then open bracket. So x into 2x squared remain with 2x like this here. Then minus x into 1x to be x like this. Okay, x like this. Then again here, what's common here? It is 2. Okay, which is plus 2. Then bracket 2 into 4x, it was 2x. Okay, then minus 2 into 2, it's 1, like this. So now, as you can see, we have same thing here inside the brackets, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So you get x and 2 here, you put them together. So it will be x plus 2 like this. Okay, then again you pick 1 here, since we have same thing, so just pick 1. So we have 2x minus 1 like this. So this will be our final answer. So we write it here, x plus 2 like this, and also 2x minus 1 like this. So that will be our final answer for this question. Remember, I've forgotten, they said solve the equation. I said solve the equation. So this is not a final answer, made a mistake. Unless if they say factorize. So which means if from here now, we need to say x plus 2 equal to 0. Remember there's a 0 here. There's 0 here equal to 0. So we need to solve the equation. Then again 2x minus 1 equal to 0 like this. So which means we say x equal to, so after crossing the equal sign to be negative 2. So negative 2, and this one to be 2x equal to 1. Then over 2, you cancel. So x is equal to what? X to be 1 over 2. So which means our answers here will be, x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 1 over 2 like this. So this will be our final answer. So our final answers will be x equal to -2 or x equal to 1 over 2. So we go to the next question, which is question 3. Question 4, I mean. So factorize completely. So we need to look for a number which can go into 9, x to the power 3, and also 81 x y to the power 2. So I think so 9 can go into 9 and 81, and also have x and x here. So we'll write 9 here and x here. Then we say 9 into 9 is 1. Then x into x to the power 3 to be x to the power 2. Then minus, okay, 9 into 81 to be 9. Then x into x, the x will cancel each other. Then we remain with y to the power 2 here like this. So now we cannot end here. So we need to factorize what we call using the difference of 2 square. So this one will be, you maintain this 9x here. Then the square root of x squared is x. Then minus square root of 9 is 3 like this. Then y. Okay. Then again x plus, we put plus 3y like this. So this will be final answer. So you write it here, you bring it here. So you say 9x then bracket x minus 3 y bracket again x plus 3 y bracket like this. So you get these 2 marks. Just imagine. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple.